Working with XML files on Mac and finding it hard to read, convert, or share them in common formats. Introducing SysTools Mac XML Converter. A smart and easy-to-use solution to convert your XML files into Excel, CSV, or PDF formats with just a few clicks. Key features of the software. Supports 10+ export formats. Easily convert XML files into over 10 file extensions, including Excel, CSV, PDF, HTML, JSON, and more. Batch file conversion. Add XML files using either add file for single files or add folder to load all XML files from a directory, offering flexibility and convenience. Preserves file structure. Maintain the original XML hierarchy and data relationships during conversion to ensure accuracy and consistency. Handles large XML files. Processes large XML files efficiently without crashes or errors, ensuring reliable performance every time. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Mac XML Converter. Click the top result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the Download for Mac button. Then install and launch the software. Once launched, you'll see a clean and intuitive interface with clear navigation tabs and action buttons. You'll see two options to add your XML files, Add Files or Add Folder option. Add Files, to select individual XML files from your system. Add Folder, to import an entire folder containing multiple XML files. Click on either Add Files or Add Folder based on your requirement. Browse to the location of your XML files, select the desired files, and then click on the Open button. Once imported, the selected XML files will be listed on the dashboard under the Selected Path section, along with their corresponding file size in megabytes. If you wish to remove any file from the list, simply select the file, then click the Remove button to delete it from the list. Alternatively, click Remove All if you want to clear all the added files in one go. After reviewing your file list, click the Next button at the bottom right corner of the screen to move forward. In the Export Options section, you will see there are multiple export format options. You can choose how you want to convert or export your XML data. Next, you need to set the destination path, the location on your system where the output files will be saved. Click the Change button. Select your folder, and confirm. Now, click on the Export button to begin the conversion process. Once the export is complete, a confirmation message will appear stating that the process was successfully completed. Click the OK button to close the prompt. As a final step, click on the View Report button. This will generate a detailed summary of the export operation. And you'll find your converted output files carefully saved and organized in the format you selected. And that's it. That's how easy it is to import, convert, and export XML files on Mac. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.